Hey, greetings, Professor. My name is Omar Durder, and this is my midterm here. So I have my MATLAB code, and I will show it to you. It's going to be a temperature sensor, and it's going to comprise with a GUI and my own LEDs in here. And it should show the temperature low, middle, which is moderate, which is room temperature, and then high. So here we go. Now, of course, I already did my troubleshooting and all. So it works fine. Here's my code in here. Modified it multiple times. Here we go. Now here is my start function right here. I have everything declared in here. Time seconds. Here should be the title. It's gonna start. Here are my if and else if statements for the GUI. Here's for the GUI to change colors to a B for blue, green, G for green, and R for red. This one will turn blue if it's below or equal to 25 degrees Celsius. This one will turn green if it's greater than 25 degrees Celsius, but less than or equal to 30 degrees Celsius. And then it should turn red if it's above 30 degrees Celsius. And now here for my LEDs. My LEDs is the same concept. If 25 degrees Celsius, the pin D8 will be on, the rest off. Greater than 25 or less than 30, it would be D7 would be 1 and the rest zeros. Greater than 30, D4 would be 1 and the rest would be zeros. And then I have the clear function in here, which turns everything to 0. Plot 0x. Same concept. I left everything there. Then we have the stop function, which stops it. And then right here, set handles. That would give the average of the temperature. So here we go. Let me run my code in here. Here's my Arduino setup, of course. Here we go. It's connected in. Here's the light is on because I left it troubleshooting. So here's the green LED. And here we go. Here's my setup. These are the digital. So here we go, D8, D7, and D4. As you can see in here. Okay. Now we have this one in here. The ground, 5 volts, another ground, and AO. And then here's my TMP36 right here. Here we go. This is what we're going to work with in here. Of course, this is the green LED. This is the blue LED, and that's the red LED. So now, also here is what I worked off of. Here we go. If you press guide, and then it opened up for me this right here. Here we go. This is what I worked off of. These are the buttons I created and I edited. Average temperature. Here's the axes. This is what I did right here. The push buttons right here. Temperature. This should turn a specific color. Blue for very cold. Green for room temperature. And red for very hot. Now, let's run some code. Okay. Let's run the code. There we go. Wait for it to go back to start. Still running. Okay, now it should start working in here. So let's start. Okay, BME start. There we go. Cold. See, ran up cold first. Okay. Now it should be green, which is the color here. It's green. This is the color green here. Okay. Corliss is color green. So let's let it go for about 1 minute. It's going to be around 2 minutes. So here we go. You see it's still green. Shows here normal. Here we go. It's green in here. Wait for it to go around. Here we go. There's time in seconds, temperature in degrees Celsius. Here is my title, BME, Omar Durder. Okay, it's about to be 60 seconds, so I could warm it up now. Here we go. I'm going to touch it. Okay, once it hits 60 seconds. Okay, look, I am touching it now. So the red one should light up. Look at the spike. Look, you see the spike? Okay, spike in temp. Let's see what's gonna happen. There we go, hot. You see it changed to hot. The red one is on now. So the red one is on. Now we wait for it to go to 90 seconds. Now it's cold because I left it off. Okay. That was a weird spike. Okay, let me let it go after this. 90 seconds. Okay. I'm gonna let it go. You see, I'm not touching it anymore. Let's see the temperature go down to 120 seconds. Okay, it should be going down. There we go, back to normal. You see? Went back to normal. Here we go, we got the green color back. There we go. 120 seconds. Now, we can do the stop, which will give us the average of the temperature. So it will stop. So in my definition, stop, it stops everything, it clears it. It's not a pause, it's a stop. So it clears it and it should give the average temperature. Okay, average temperature here, 26.7351 degrees. There we go. Now let's start it again. Let's restart it. Now, just to show you that it clears. Shows that it clears off. Okay, it's clear. There you go. Here is my project. And again, everything wired correctly. This is my midterm.